Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Zoom in PC. Okay, open your browser. So I opened already my Google Chrome, and here search Zoom Cloud Meeting download. I will share this link in the description below, and then click in this link, and this page will open. And you don't have to do anything, just wait. It will automatically download in here. As you can see, it's already now downloaded. So if you want to install Zoom for the phone or for the other device, you can install from here. So let's how to install this. From here you can open one folder. I'm going to open directly, and then click to the run button, and it will take a few minutes to install. Here we go. This is the Zoom for PC. If you have a meeting ID, you can click in here and join the meeting. If you don't have, you want to be a host, just click in the below and create an ID for yourself and invite your friend. So if you have a ID, just click in here and type your ID meeting, and there is your name, and then you want to check remember your name for the future, and then you can check do not connect to the audio or turn off the video. This is up to you. There is a simple setting. So if you want to be a host and invite your friend, just click in here and create an account. I will show you how to create the account and how to sign in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.